Hello friends, in this tutorial we will talk about why Kafka is fast. So let's begin. Kafka achieves low latency message delivery through sequential input output and zero copy principle. The same techniques are commonly used in many other messaging streaming platforms. The diagram on screen illustrates how the data is transmitted between producer and consumer and what zero copy means. So let's go through the diagram step 1 by 1 1.1 to 1.3. Producer writes data to the disk. Step 2, consumer reads data without zero copy. Step 2.1, the data is loaded from disk to operating system cache. 2.2, the data is copied from operating system cache to Kafka application. 2.3, Kafka application copy the data into the socket buffer. 2.4, the data is copied from socket buffer to network card. 2.5, the network card sends data out to the consumer. Step 3, consumer read data with zero copy. 3.1, the data is loaded from disk to operating system cache. 3.2, operating system cache directly copies the data to the network card via send file command. 3.3, the network card sends data out to the consumer. Zero copy is a shortcut to save the multiple data copies between application context and kernel context. This approach brings down the time by approximately 65%. That is the main reason Kafka is so fast.